Before this video starts, first click this large red button called subscribe below. So this lesson we're gonna talk about how to use Git to control your website. So the first thing is to install Git. When you right click it, it should say UI or that. Get that and it can pop up below. Next, is to initialize it. Git config global user.name. This is your username. So you type your username here and you click enter. And for the next thing is user.email. Oh, I forgot to say, but the user.name should be your GitHub username, and this user.email should be your GitHub verified email. You put the email here, and git config default branch global dot default branch. Right. So it sets your branch, your initialized branch as main. Git init, and you can see here should be a main here, not a master or anything. And the next thing is to generate an SSH key. So SSH keygen, personal, there it is. SSH keygen B 4096 and wait, it's RSA B and C, capitalized C, and your email. Wait, I got it wrong. It should be, this is the bits and this is the comment, output key file, passphrase, and such. So we want RSA the most. So we want RSA. So it's TRSA. TRSA B 4096 and C. This is your email. So don't do the last option. And it will want you to enter the file to save the key. You can press enter, but just for and this is the password is you can click enter for empty, same password, and here's this random art image. And then you go to this file you have seen. So we have those two files. You go to the dot file. You can open it with a notepad or anything. And go to GitHub. Here in your settings, ssh.n and you click that new SSH key, and it should show up this. I prefer use main, and you paste the whole thing down here, the thing in your pub file, and you click add SSH key. After everything, you use SSH git at github.com. And I have the passphrase here. And hi, it should show like hi blah blah blah. You've successfully authenticated, but GitHub does not provide shell access, and that's great. Next is to get your repository here. Use Git. So you should have your username.github.com. So you use git clone git at github.com and your username which is QQmax. Mine is QQmax, and QQmax.github.io .git. Do not forget the .git suffix, and it should say cloning into blah blah blah, and ask you to enter your passphrase if you have it. And after those receiving things, it should be like you now should have a folder like this. So in it is a Git file and all your folders, your readme.md and such. The next, you want to add some changes to your Git repository, like you add a file called you add a file called test.txt. Test. So after you have made some changes or added any file, you use git add everything, and you click enter, and you said git commit s. No, it's s means sign off, a means everything. This large S is for signature, but so if you have a GPG key, you can use the large S, or else if you don't have a GPG key, just don't add the S. And M means message. You type the message here and you click enter. And then git push origin main, and you click enter there, and it will ask for your like passphrase, and you're okay. So it should say something just like this after you push to origin main, and so you're done. But sometimes there may be a conflict, like you have changed something on GitHub and changed something locally, and there's a conflict. You use git pull origin main, and you click enter. Yeah, you have to first see this git repository first. And git pull origin main. And it will say from blah 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 to blah blah blah. Because I haven't made any changes in the conflict here, so it's just already up to date. Sometimes it pops up a vim editor and you can type a commit message and uh, and exit the editor. But after everything you have done, you have solved the conflict, and you can git push origin main again, and you are okay. But sometimes you do not want to keep the changes in the remote repository, so you use git push force. This forces rewrites all the commits, so this is very dangerous. And click enter. It rewrites all the history in the origin, and it's really bad. So you have already learned most of this control your website using Git, and as long as you have pushed your remote repository, you can it will auto run a workflow and it will deploy the page, your Git page, with your username.github.io. So I have a few more. So I have another series, but